Yo, check this out, folks. So this is an extra setup. This is 2019, right? Yeah. So he has the brake light on the inside, and then you got the turn signal on the outside. That is sick. Well done, bro. I like it. I like it. I gotta do a walk around on this bike, man. Look at that. It's like that gray. Oh,
And I put those.
wait a minute,
I
yo.
did that because I lost the lights here when I took.
Oh, because these have the
How we come with the lights on the headlights.
yeah, yeah. I have that. They have the progressing lights on the inside.
So check this out.
Yeah. Bro, hold up. I gotta get your contact info. Yo, dude, that's some Tron Knight Rider stuff right there, bro. That is sick. Look at that, bro. Well done, man. Those are the lights from what? Walmart or
I bought them in Amazon. Everything is bought in Amazon.
yo, that is man. Look, bro, I got fist bump you on that one. That was fire. That well done, Gio. You too, folks. You see that? 2019 first episode of What You Riding for the season. And what's your name? James. Man, I do What You Riding on my YouTube. I'm gonna give you a shout out for that, man. Well done, well done. My boy Doug, he has one of these, but he got it tracked out. Like he got like the the air box all wrapped and everything. Keep that air cool, nice and compressed. All right, folks, make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. The man, the myth, the ZX Predator. We outie. Peace.